Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Camry side mirror, only way. Begin by removing the interior trim panel carefully to expose the mirror bolts and wiring harness, then unplug the mirror connector and set the panel aside. Label screws and clips to avoid confusion during reassembly. Keep parts organized on a cloth so nothing rolls away. Take photos as you go for reference when reinstalling the new mirror assembly. Start outside by lowering the window so you can access the mirror easily and support the mirror while you work. From inside the door, remove fasteners hidden behind the trim and carefully pry the panel off to reveal the connector and bolts. Hold the mirror with one hand while you loosen bolts to prevent it from falling. Once bolts are out, unplug the wiring harness and lift the mirror away from the door. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy hands-on car work, you might appreciate a compact e-reader for waiting on parts or watching repair guides in the garage. The Kindle Paperwhite is lightweight, has great battery life, and reads clearly in bright light. It fits in a glove box and makes following step photos easier than a bulky tablet. If this sounds useful, check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Position the new mirror so the studs align with the holes, and push the wiring harness through the grommet without pinching it. Thread each mounting bolt by hand to ensure correct alignment, then tighten them evenly to manufacturer Torx specifications. Reattach the interior trim panel by snapping clips back into place, making sure the weather seal sits correctly. Finally, reconnect the battery and test all mirror functions to confirm proper installation before finishing up.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.